Hello you guys, welcome back to part 2 of showing you different lighting portrait setups. We have Miss Sophie here again for our second light look. So you remember in the first one we just had the one light. This particular one is going to be a 2 light setup. I'm going to show you how to do like a Vanity Fair, nice portrait type of light look, which is very popular right now. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So if you look above, we have our main light here, which is a Profoto D1 with a medium Profoto deep umbrella. And it has a diffuser on it. So this is going to give Sophie light above and on her shoulders and a little bit on the front of her face. I will take a picture of just this light and so you can see what it's doing. And then we have our fill light here, the Elinchrom Snaplux. Again, we are going to use this. This is going to make a nice fill light on Sophie to give her light on the front because the top one is not going to light her completely. And again, I will take a picture so you can see what that looks like. All right, and again, Snaplux by Elinchrom. I am loving this thus far. It is giving me a nice light. And I'm going to show you guys what both look like together. My camera settings, I am using the Canon 5D Mark II with the Canon 24-105 lens. I just adore this lens, as you all know, and it works perfect for portraits, of course, which we are shooting today. My settings are at 1/160th, f10, and I'm at 100 ISO. So we are going to start shooting Miss Sophie, and yeah, let's get to it. And then maybe not so back. There we go. Chin up just a little bit, Sophie. Okay. guys, so that was the second portrait light look I'm showing you guys today, and that is going to be all for us. Again, we had for this particular light setup, we had 2 lights going and 2 modifiers. Again, we have the Profoto D1 with the Profoto Deep Umbrella M size. I will say, if you want to get more of the surface area, use a larger umbrella, which is better. I didn't have time to get one, so I just used my medium umbrella for this. But if you can get a large or an extra large, that is going to be better to do this type of overhead light look with the diffuser. And again, I want to thank Elinchrom for sending me the Snaplux Octabox. I will link it below if you want to get it. It was very fun to use. I will be using this in the near future. I just love the way the soft light hit Sophie. And yeah, I think that is it, you guys. Again, I will post my camera settings when I post the images for you guys. And I think that is going to be all for now. So we will see you next time, maybe next weekend or something, for some more lighting tips, okay? And lighting setups. All right, you guys, bye.